What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Anthony, and today I'm going to show you the products that I use for my current services. Let's get into it. So starting with the wheels, a few of the products that I use is P&S Brake Buster. This is the fantastic product that I always keep in both. This one is out, but I have another one at home. You can tackle or pair that with the IK Foam Pro 2. This will disperse a nice thick layer of foam across the whole wheel, so that way you can tackle any job that comes your way. However, this product does not have any iron removing properties. So in that case, one of the things that I recommend wholeheartedly is the Coach Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner. This is absolutely fantastic as it will break down a lot of the iron that's stuck on the wheel. And then for tires, I use Chemical Guys VRP. It'll give it a nice little satin finish, nothing too shiny. Usually if you want something like that, you're gonna have to go with a oil-based product. And no matter if you're doing wheels or paint, whatever, I always recommend you have a bucket of some sort with a grit guard at the bottom. But let me show you a few of the tools that I use. Starting with the face, I'll either use this brush or a mitt. I know they make smaller mitts now as well, so I'll put that somewhere on the screen for you so you can see what I'm talking about. But either one of those. For the wheel wells, I use the Easy Detail brushes. These are great. I purchased a few from Amazon before. Did not work out well. Those things lasted me maybe 5 jobs and that was it. So guys, trust me, spend the extra money and save yourself a headache pretty much. So these, as well as a brush for the fender wells, self-explanatory. And then you have your tire brush and my little boar's hair brush that I use for the lug nuts. And that's it for the wheels. For exterior, there's quite a number of products that you actually can use. So it's going to come down to preference. But one of the ones I definitely use before I go to wax, so I know I'm stripping off any previous coatings, so that way I can reapply something, is Adam Strip Wash. Another thing that I use is Green Star by Coach Chemie. This I pair with the Gentle Snow Foam. This is a great pre-wash. This is usually if the vehicle is heavily soiled and obviously there's a lot of contaminants. You spray it down, let it sit a few moments, rinse it, and then I can go in my foam cannon with Gentle Snow Foam on its own. Ulex is a great adhesive and stain remover and great for tar. However, this stuff stinks. Wear a mask if you use this. Trust me, it's bad. But yeah, this is gonna get tar off really well. It like melts it, eats it right away. When it comes to a bug remover, I'm currently using Chemical Guys Bug and Tar Remover as well. Not the biggest fan of it, if I'm being honest. I think I'm going to switch to a new product. Someone from a forum that I'm in told me about, what is it called? I believe it's G-Technic. And P&S actually makes one as well that I'm thinking about purchasing. Now, when it comes to any type of protection after you cleaned the car, or even if you're just looking for a drying aid, P&S Bead Maker is an amazing product, really is. Durability isn't all the way there. However, when it comes to the slick feel and shine, nothing better in my opinion. Like, as far as like something simple, a nice little spray coating, it's amazing. There are a few of them, few other ones that I use, and as always, I'll put it somewhere on the screen, but it's a Wax Shine Aqua Bead, 3-month protection, great product as well. Bead Maker is absolutely my favorite though. We have the clay bar that I use is the just standard clay bar. I have a clay mitt as well on the side, but this is the Chemical Guys one that I use with the clay lube. And this is just a standard window cleaner, ammonia free and everything, so it's great for tents. This is a spray wax that I use. Has some sealant properties in it as well. 2-bucket method all the time. 2-bucket method. The one foam cannon I'm using is the MTM. I don't remember the exact model, but this is the newest one. I'll put it somewhere on the screen for you. And then I have the Rag Company wash mitts. Love these things. I was using the other microfiber ones at first, but I felt that the cleaning, it wasn't cleaning all that well. But both inside, I have grit guards in different colors, so I know which one is which, obviously, as well as a very soft brush, so that way in the pre-foam or whenever it is, I can clean the emblems, get around the door seals, usually places where it's going to be a lot harder to reach to with the wash mitts. And as far as what I'm using for my gun, I got the bundle, so I also have the MTM SG, what is this one? SG S28, it's detachable, has the extended wand. And that's it for exterior. I do have my polishing kit, but I forgot that at home, so I will tell you and just put links up on the screen. Not links, but images. So for interior, same as exterior, you have a plethora of options when it comes to the different type of products that you can use. Some of my go-tos, for example, let's just start with while you're cleaning, P&S, again, as you can see, I love those products. I love that brand. P&S Express Interior Cleaner. Great product, smells amazing, and definitely leaves a nice, clean finish after you're done. However, a lot of the times once I am done, I will use the 303 aerospace protectant, and it's just to make sure it repels like a lot of dust and fingerprints or whatever the case may be, so that way once I go back for maintenance details, it makes my job a lot easier, right? So I also I started out using the Chemical Guys leather cleaner. I don't use it as much anymore because Express Interior Detail is a great product. It really does tackle almost anything. But when it comes to Alcantara, one of the things I use, or the only thing I use, is Coach Chemi. There's that name again, Polestar. This is a great product as well. When I'm using my drill for stain removers and things like that, I have heard great things about P&S Carpet Bomber. That's what in the enzyme one. I heard those things are really good, but I use the Chemical Guys citrus one. I don't remember the exact name, but I'll put it up somewhere for you. As you can see, I've gone through a lot of this. Great product. What else do we have here? When it comes down to rubber mats in my service, I always make sure I take care of them. This is the Matte Renew Floor Mat Cleaner, or Rubber Mat Cleaner. Great product. Leather conditioner. I actually do have it. It's the Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. This is the one I use. That's what's in that bottle. And as far as extractors go, I don't have a huge Mighty. I use my little Mean Green Pro Heat machine, baby, okay? This is what I use right here. Great, gets it done. And that's all I can really ask for, right? Guys, at the end of the day, we're out here. We're trying to do the best job that we possibly can for any of our customers. And don't feel as though you have to put yourself in financial struggle from the get-go. Prove the concept to you, prove the concept to your clients, your customers, or whoever it is, right? But this little thing is great, 100%. When it comes to cleaning the dash or the door panels, anything like that, I love these little cleaning pads. These are the Auto Scrub Ninja. One of them. One side is a little bit harder, the other side is microfiber. Hit it, wipe it down, get a microfiber towel, wipe it all up. Good to go, just like that. Cleaning, leather cleaning brush, carpet. If I'm not the only one working, if like my partner has the drill and I'm doing the other side, I'll just use this. Don't have the drill with me, right? But I have one of the bits. Like this, I usually put on to lift up some of the dirt. I'm looking into purchasing the tornado thingy. I don't know the name of these things, but sound effects is gonna do. I'm looking to purchase that, but usually I'll just put this on a drill, spin it, lift up all the dirt, and then go back up and vacuuming it up. This is for my vents, all 3 slots, put it in. I mean, there's always different ways to do it, but this little product you can get on Amazon, super dirt cheap. Put it in there, move it left to right, brush some of the dust away, but this picks it right up. And then just some of my brushes, right? When I'm going in there with the vents or any of the crevices around the center console, take your vacuum, swipe it, wipe it, whatever you want to call this part right here while you pick up the dust, good to go. and I usually keep a small little small little toothbrush with me to get the crevices down by the footwell where normally your vacuum can't reach, right? I use this just getting there, and that's it. Towels, you have so many options of towels. This is originally the one that I did purchase from Amazon. However, throughout this whole bag and down to the bottom of the bag and some of the bins, I have a lot of towels from Rag Company, and they are fantastic, great. A lot of my sealant towels that I use, obviously I'll throw out, but then there's other ones that I'll retire to the wheels. So when it comes to towels, definitely check out the Rag Company. You can go on their website and they have like different drop downs that'll show you specific towels for the specific section of the car that you're looking to work on. All right, and that's majority of the stuff that I use for the interior. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you the polishing equipment or any of the compounds and stuff that I do use. I will make a different video for you guys on that. Maybe I'll do a paint correction video. You know what? That's what I'll do. I'll do a paint correction equipment video for you guys at some point. But hope you enjoyed. If you learned anything, or if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop that down in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get better at social media and posting stuff where you can keep up to date more with my day-to-day actions, what I'm doing, even behind the scenes of these little videos. Until next time, see you then.